Hi friends, I'm Tilak, you're watching Tech Maybe Unique, and today we're just going to see how to turn off the disappearing message on your Instagram account for a particular account. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to turn off the disappearing message on your Instagram for Instagram chat for a particular account. For example, I just going to turn off just go inside the messenger. You can see my two account. The one of the two accounts has been turned on the disappearing message. The first two account, it's the third account not having the disappearing message. You can see the symbol, a circle symbol near the camera symbol icon. Okay. So first, just click on the profile. Just click on the on top of the profile. Now you have the option called disappearing messages is actually turned on. Click on this, and you can have the option on the first called turn off. Just click this. That's it. So simple. So now just come back. You can see you turned off the disappearing message. You can just turn on whenever you just need it. So now you can see the circle symbol has been gone, which indicates that the disappearing message has been turned off. You can just do this for whichever the account you just need to turn this off, and it's simple. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with this super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off. Full Tech May be unique. Have a wonderful and most beautiful day ever.